Open Language English.
Hello everyone, this is Cynthia.
Hi guys, my name is John. Today we're going to listen to a phone call, but it's not a phone call between two people.
So it's a recording, and the recording is for an airline company. So if you want more information about your flight, you can pick up the phone, call, and listen to this recording.
Okay, so let's listen to what you might hear if you call the airline.
Dialogue first time.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. For ticketing, press 1. To check on a flight reservation, press 2. For travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. For all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9.
Dialogue second time.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. For ticketing, press 1. To check on a flight reservation, press 2. For travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. For all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9.
Dialogue third time.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. For ticketing, press 1. To check on a flight reservation, press 2. For travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. For all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9.
Okay, so this is the American Airlines information.
So the first thing we hear is for ticketing, press 1. So here, ticketing, it means if you want to buy a ticket for a flight,
Yeah, you want to buy an airplane ticket.
then you press 1.
Yeah, you push number 1 on your phone, right? For ticketing, press 1. So I want a plane ticket. Then we hear to check on a flight reservation, press 2. So a flight reservation means you have already bought your ticket. You have a flight, but you haven't used the flight, right? You reserved it. You have a flight reservation.
Yeah, maybe you want to check what seat you're sitting in or what time the flight leaves.
Yeah, you want to check on. So you want to learn more about your flight reservation.
Next, we hear for travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. So travel information, maybe you want to know how early you need to be at the airport.
Or where the airport is. Or, this really bad weather.
Will the flight get delayed?
Right. Will it change my flight time? Or maybe how long will it take at the airport, from when I arrive to when I get on the plane, right? That's all travel information.
Okay, so baggage requirements is next. And baggage means luggage, suitcase.
Right. It could be a bag.
A bag.
Could be a box.
It has all the stuff you will take with you on the flight.
Okay, so baggage requirements means, first, how many pieces of luggage, right? How many suitcases?
How much can it weigh? What's the limit?
Yeah, how big can it be? All right, these are all baggage requirements. And then finally, we hear for all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9. So all other questions, that means questions that are not about
the flight.
Ticketing, flight reservation, travel information, other questions.
And to speak to an agent is to talk to a person who works for the airline.
Yeah, remember what we're listening to in this lesson is not a person, it's a recording. But sometimes you really want to talk to a person, especially if you're still learning English, right?
Yes, so you can press 9 for that.
Yeah.
Push 9.
And usually they tell you this last, right?
Yes.
To speak to an agent, press 9. Okay, let's listen one more time.
Dialogue first time.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. For ticketing, press 1. To check on a flight reservation, press 2. For travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. For all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9.
Dialogue second time.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. For ticketing, press 1. To check on a flight reservation, press 2. For travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. For all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9.
Dialogue third time.
Thank you for calling American Airlines. For ticketing, press 1. To check on a flight reservation, press 2. For travel information and baggage requirements, press 3. For all other questions or to speak to an agent, press 9.
Okay, so this lesson is a recorded voice message for American Airlines. And American Airlines is a big airline in the United States. What are the other major airlines in the United States?
There's Delta Airlines, United Airlines,
U.S. Airways, JetBlue.
Southwest Airlines. For us Americans, when we listen to these recorded voice messages, we really don't like them.
Yeah, the problem is that all of the airlines use these now, right?
Yes.
And really, we just want to talk to a person.
Exactly, and you have to listen to the whole recording before you know what number to press to talk to a person.
Yeah, and if you're still learning English, this can be very difficult, but you can listen again and again. You can keep calling, you can keep repeating the message.
Yes.
And you can use this lesson to help you.
So remember, if this is difficult for you, just keep on practicing. And you can always just speak to an agent on the phone.
Yeah, that might help a lot. Okay, thank you for listening.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.